The book of Zechariah is a powerful message of hope and restoration for Israel during the time they returned from exile and were rebuilding the temple. Zechariah's prophecies encourage the people to complete the temple and point to God's plan for the future, including the coming of the Messiah. The first half of the book contains 8 symbolic visions, such as horsemen patrolling the earth, a high priest being cleansed, and a golden lampstand, all emphasizing God's intention to restore Israel, purge sin, and strengthen his people by his Spirit. God encourages the leaders like Zerubbabel to continue the work, promising that his Spirit, not human strength, will bring success. After the visions, Zechariah addresses the people's fasting, urging them to focus on justice, mercy, and compassion, as God promises that the days of mourning will turn into days of joy. The second half of the book shifts to the future, revealing a humble king who will bring peace and salvation, fulfilled by Jesus entering Jerusalem on a donkey. Zechariah also speaks of God's deliverance of Jerusalem from its enemies and a coming time when all nations will worship the Lord. The book ends with the hope of God reigning over the earth, bringing ultimate victory and peace.